Yeah, so here's the Nifty charts that you have, and you can see that it's well within the parallel channel and to reach the top of that. If you can, the levels on the upside is marked based on the Fibonacci extension. Other levels downside is marked likewise with Fibonacci extension and Fibonacci retracement and moving average, 20 exponential moving averages and 100 exponential moving averages. So, and previous resistances and supports are also considered. So the levels are marked likewise. So 25,500, 25,000, and the upside it can for the move up towards the 26,000 first hurdle, and then after that 26,200, then 26,500. Likewise, it can move up, but the levels are marked like this. So hourly moves range bound in the case of Nifty, right? But in the Banknifty, you can see that it is heading straight up. So overall, Nifty and Banknifty both of them made new all-time highs today, and Banknifty was kind of slightly more trending than Nifty, which is range bound after the gap. Banknifty, on the contrary, did not gap, but was trending kind of price action was seen. So in the Banknifty, the levels and on the upside and downside is marked similarly. You can see that there is a breakout that is happening exactly at this zone, a cup pattern, and after that the breakout has already started. So Fibonacci 61% extension level is where it is stuck right now, but it is touched right now. So there could be a resistance that would come in this zone 54,304 that zone, and further above 78% Fibonacci extension is where the next levels could be seen. So keep a watch on that. So as per the targets, 55,000 will be the next immediate resistance for the Banknifty. FIs have been buying consistently. Today's data has not come in, and open interest, if you see the Nifty and the Banknifty, it's long built up with huge open interest in the futures are high to see. So it's just 50 points from 26,000, so that could easily get covered any time. Now the question is, after 26,000, whether it sustains and stays there or not. That's something else. So Banknifty is in big breakout mode. So all the banking sector, the financial sector, where the foreign money is flowing it. Open interest is also showing clearly 25,000 and 25,500 support, and then 26,000 and 27 is where the highest next resistance that's seen for the next week. I can believe that. So that's a kind of big. Also making note that the premium on the put side is also substantially more than what is expected just a few days before the expires. There could be some corrections also that can come in after the 26,000 is reached, and then that could suddenly crash. All these things are possible. So look at that, from 19,000 not just right up to 27. That's kind of moving top. So anyway, stay cautious and safe. Thank you.